So we've ended up in a kayak race accidentally, and we've just been informed we're coming second in the tandem. Hilarious.
Take my hand and I'll be your guide. I'll take you places that you'd never find. I know something about a state of mind. I've got the dreamer in me.
So we've ended up in a kayak race accidentally, and we've just been informed we're coming second in the tandem. We're trying to explain to people that we're just doing the TA and this is part of it, and they're like, you're coming second, keep going. Hilarious. Bit of construction. New bridge in Auckland, somewhere down the Puhoi River.
You guys aren't racing, you're not in the race.
No, we're doing the Te Araroa Trail. Yeah, do I look like I'm racing? I'm sitting back taking videos. How's it going so far, Kev?
Yeah, pretty good. Nice calm day, not a lot of wind.
Tide's going out.
Tide's going out, coming down the Puhoi River. About to go into the motorway, I think. Glad we're not walking on there.
Yeah.
That was the other option.
Very nice. Auckland. What an achievement. To be honest, up until now, we really hadn't given much thought beyond Auckland, as it seemed just so far away, as if such a thing didn't exist. Auckland was about resupply, catching up with some family, and trying to sort out Kev's feet. But here we were, 500 kilometres on foot, through mud, sand and tarmac, sun, hail and rain. We'd made it. And due to tides, time was slipping away quickly. It was almost 5 p.m. and we still hadn't had lunch. After a few wonderful days hiking with Jess and Christoph, we had to part ways. What better place to say goodbye than a bus stop? So there we sat down to say goodbye and remembered we had cheese in our packs. We pulled out some very melted Puhoi cheese and crackers that we picked up earlier in the morning when we had coffee with the wonderful trail angel Amy, and shared a last meal together in the bus stop. Classy. What a sight. After a day in the overwhelming city of sails, Auckland, we got ourselves to Devonport and knocked on the King and Queen of Trail Angels' door. Arriving at Miriam Beatson and Jeff Chappell's was overwhelming. I must admit, I shed a few tears as I walked through the door. I'd known Miriam and Jeff all my life, Miriam being my dad's cousin. They were the most incredible couple that I had always admired. They really showed me that with hard work and determination, you can do the unbelievable, which is exactly what they'd done. They both worked tirelessly for many years setting this trail up. Miriam often in the background, but by no means any less important. It was such a fabulous night, sharing tales and laughs. The next morning we left our packs with Miriam and Jeff, and we slack packed north to try and get as close as we could to where we had caught the bus into Auckland.
Lovely day walking around some of the Auckland beaches. It's part of the trail if it's low tide. It's not officially, we should be road walking, but this is way nicer. And the tide's down, so we'll just keep walking until the tide's too high, and then we'll cut inland again. Really nice option for the morning, and we're slack packing with no pack, so which makes life a bit easier. So we're just going north, filling in what we missed out on yesterday when we had to bus into town so I could go and get my appointment and stuff. So lovely.